Hi, this puts on this Shark Navigator. This is called the Lift Away Deluxe Vacuum. I'm going to show you up close all of its features. I'm also going to be vacuuming the hardwood floors and also the rug and carpet so you can see how that works. And so looking at it up close, it is a compact vacuum, but yet it has a very strong suction. The dimensions of this, it's 11.5 inches wide, 46 inches tall, and then 14.25 inches in the depth of it. It does come with tools, and it has a really neat holding tool on here. So it comes with the crevice attachment and also the fabric or the multi-tool attachment for the hose. And I'm going to show you that in just a moment. It also has a 25-foot long cord. So to release the cord a quick way, all you have to do is just pull this little holder down, and now you're able to take out that 25-foot long cord. Love how long that is. And now I'm going to show you how to release the pod. So this is the lift away part. There's a button here, and when you push the release button, it actually will release the pod. So if you are wanting to vacuum your stairs with just holding this, you're able to do that, or underneath any of the any of the furniture, you're able to lift this away without the bottom. And then to put it back on, just push it on just like that. Now the whole vacuum is only 16 pounds in weight, so it is pretty lightweight. And then they have the buttons on the back here. This is the power button, so you can have it where either the roller will do the carpet on here at the bottom, like that, or you can have the non-roller and push it for any of the hard floors that you are vacuuming. So really easy to use that. There's another button here. This will release the hose to it. So if you wanted to use the hose extension along with the hose itself, you're able to do that. And again, you can apply any of the attachments that go on to it really easily, just like that. Then if you wanted to use the shorter part, you're able to push that red button and just be able to use this. And again, you can use any of the attachments on the shorter part here. So really easy to use, and I'm going to go ahead and start vacuuming so you can see how well this works. So now that I have it plugged in, I'm going to go ahead and show you how well it does with also the swiveling on the carpet, and then I'll be doing the hardwood floors. To turn it on, again, it has the button right here on the top. I'm going to go ahead and push it over to the carpet, and you'll see how loud this is. Okay, so that vacuuming was just on this rug here. I'm going to show you the container, which was completely empty and clean before I started this.
And you can see how much it has sucked up.
So now I'll just be doing the hardwood floor so you can see how that works. So now I'm going to show you how strong the suction is, and I'm going to be sucking up these coins. I've got a quarter and 2 dimes there, but this is just a filter so it doesn't go through the tube here, but I'm going to show you how strong this suction is.
And now I just want to show you how useful this is to have that lift off or lift away pod here, so you can vacuum either your floors or anything underneath your furniture. Really easy just to take it off the main unit and be able to carry this all the way up the stairs. Again, it does have a 25-foot long cord to it, so really easy to use and handle just with the pod alone. And again, for the other attachment, I'm putting on the crevice attachment tool so you can get up in the corners to get any of those webs off of the ceiling and higher areas just by using this attachment onto the pod vacuum. And then emptying out the container is easy to do. It's almost touchless. So I hope I was able to show you up close the Shark Navigator Lift Away Deluxe Vacuum. Thanks so much for watching.